I hear noises coming from the squirrel area. Let's see what's up. What's up, little guy? What are you doing? You just ate. What's the matter? You little guy. Look how furry he's gotten. You hungry again? Huh? Or are you just starting to get active? He was blinking the other day. I think his eyes are going to open pretty soon. He's about 2.5 weeks old now. Maybe he's just starting to get active because he just ate a little bit ago, half hour ago, but I think maybe I'll try feeding him again. See if he's hungry. But yeah, little guy's doing good. What should we name him?